No talk of fiber today. I'm armed with this stuff. Let's go see what I've been doing. Previously the other night while I was watching YouTube videos, go figure, I decided to work on the table that I stated that I was going to reuse my old table top, which I used as the base of my mold for my desk, into a little side table. I'm going to have a grandson soon, and they're doing the nursery in a woodland theme. So I had them choose a woodland animal that they wanted on top of it. And of course it was already distressed previously from me using it, and whitewashed it a little bit, and voila, got it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do an epoxy seal coat, and then I'm going to do a flood coat over top of it and make it smooth as glass. So let me show you a little bit. I did cover my surface, which is my wood floor, with a banner that came in and it wasn't correct. So I just used the house wrap tape to seal it up. There is, if you can see, that plastic wrap around the legs just in case I get anything on it. And I got my trusty hairdryer over there with the diffuser waiting for it to get the air bubbles out. So let's get started. So I had a cleaning bottle, a spray bottle, and I cut it, the top off, and I measured out 2 ounces of liquid and another 2 ounces of liquid. Because this is such a small table, I'm not going to need that much to mix up my epoxy, which is part A and B. So I'm going to get our mix. This stuff is thick. A little hard to see with the glare on here, but I just got the go-ahead. I'm going to add some color around the edges. Ooh.
3 days later.
Well, 3 days later, and there you have it. I did add a little bit of color around the edges. Nice and shiny, smooth as glass. It's one of those things that it does take time and a lot of effort, so if you're going to try this, be prepared. But it's fun. So this is just one of the projects that I've been recently, like I said, this is the second time I've played with resin. This is something that I think I'm going to keep in my repertoire so that I can reuse and recycle things from around the house and make it new again instead of just throwing things away or giving it away. So it is time consuming, but it's worth the effort. And it also helps feed my creative process a little bit in a little different way. And I hope you liked it. Like this, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video. I'll see you in the next one.